The age of AI is here, and the best thing that you can do for your business is make it your best friend. Yes, put AI in everything you do, and you will do it cheaper, better, and faster. If you use it right, AI can be a great advantage for your online business. Use it in SEO, and you can create high ranking, highly effective articles that get you traffic in any niche. The keyword is use it right. You see, AI can be a slippery slope. It can allow you to be sloppy and churn out mindless articles that will get you no traffic, and worse, can even get your site de-ranked. If you want to win with AI, you have to use it right, and that's what Blogi does. Blogi is a specialized AI blogging platform that has everything you need to win with AI. It's carefully designed to be as natural and as unique as can be, sometimes even better than a human being. You know what I mean if you've tried using low-cost writers to churn out mindless keyword articles. That never works. Blogi works because it gets blogging right. First thing, Blogi is multi-AI. That's right, it has all the best and high-quality LLMs and AIs that are available right now. You get the best AI models like GPT, Claude, Llama, Mistral, Gemini, and more. The list goes on. Every good AI is here, and you can use it to write your articles. Why so many? Because you don't want your content to look like everyone else's. Right now, millions of people in the world are using ChatGPT to churn out content, and it's not a surprise that all of the content on the web is ending up looking the same. That's why Google and other AI detectors can detect them so easily. Not because it sounds different than a human being, it does not, but because it's repetitive and Google can see a pattern. Not so with Blogi, because you can create content with different, unique AIs that are not overexposed. It has an advanced algorithm that minimizes repetition and increases uniqueness of content. Blogi can also follow other blogs and repurpose their content into your blog. So you can follow the best blogs and creators in your niche and then turn their articles into unique blogs that your audience will love. It also automatically creates graphics for your blogs based on the blog content. So each graphic is unique. Yes, no free stock photos. Blogi's graphics are generated uniquely for your article. As you can see, when it comes to blogging, Blogi takes care of everything, even posting. Yes, you don't have to post your blog to your site. Blogi does it automatically. It connects to your WordPress blogs and posts perfectly formatted articles. All you need to do is tell Blogi how often you want your blog to be updated. Once a week, twice a week, or once every day. Blogi can handle it. I know you're excited by the possibilities. You can put Blogi to work in any niche for yourself or for your clients. Blogi does all your blog marketing. Let me show you a demo so that you can see for yourself how amazing Blogi is. Alright guys, I'm logged into Blogi right now, and when you log in, the first thing you see is a dashboard. Here in the top graph, you can see the number of articles that were posted each day. So that information is available here. You can see how many articles were written, how many were actually posted, and how many of them were written in the draft mode. And below that, you can see the latest articles that were written by Blogi along with their status. For example, this one is in draft mode. And if you're following any website, if you've asked Blogi to rewrite the article based on the articles posted on a website, you will see the source URL too over here. Of course, the date written, and you can actually see the article by clicking on the view button. So this was written by Blogi along with everything else, including the image that was generated. So this is how it works. This is very impressive work, and Blogi does it on autopilot. Let's go into campaigns next, and this is where the magic actually happens. You set up a campaign by clicking on Add Campaign. You provide Blogi all the information that it needs to write the articles, and that's it. Everything else is done by Blogi itself. Blogi guides you through the campaign setup using a step-by-step form, and you can just fill in each step to create a complete campaign. I'm going to show you now how to do this. All right, so I have filled in some details like the name. It's going to be a cooking blog, and I put in a topic. I put in a URL. Now this is the test blog that I've set up. And then you need to give Blogi the login and the application password of your WordPress blog so that Blogi can automatically post the articles that it writes to your WordPress blog. It's totally automated. Now I'm going to show you how to get the application password. Go into your blog, go into users, click on the username that you want to use the edit button, and then here you have a button that says application password. Give it a new identifier like Blogi, then click on add new application password. Here's the application pass. Come back and paste the application password. Remember, this is not your actual WordPress password. It's an application password that you create just for blogging. I'm going to publish them directly because that's the best part. Your blogs are auto bloggers. Your blogs are auto published. You don't have to do anything. Then you can tell Blogi the keywords that you want to use. For example, I can use cooking, just press add, recipes, add as many keywords as you want. Here I'm done with my keywords too, and then click on next. Now, if you want to target some other website, you want to have Blogi write articles based on another website, you just need to put in the URL. For example, let's say we wanted to use this website and get the latest articles from this website automatically written, rewritten, and posted to Blogi. We could do that. And then Blogi will actually find some articles which are on the website. You can choose which articles you want to add in. For example, let's say I just want to put in this one. Click on add, and now that website has been added to the sources. Next step, click on next. Now you can select how often you want your blog to be updated. Blogi gives you quite a bit of control. You can choose things up to every minutes, hours, days, months, or even years. For example, if you want to update your blog on every Sunday, let's say on specific days of the week, you want a new post every Monday and every Thursday at about, let's say, 12 p.m. You could do that. You could even select the number of minutes, let's say 12:30. So you can select exactly what time, what date, what day, month, or year you want to update your blog. Now, typically you would choose the days you want the blog updated on. You could choose the exact days, or you could choose weekdays. It's totally up to you. You can even go every day. So there's a lot of power. You can select exactly how you want your blog to be updated. And once you're ready, click on next. Then you can fine tune the AI to create a unique persona of the writer exactly for your blog. You can select the model you want to use. We have quite a few. Right now, I'm going with GPT 3.5. And then you can select the language of the blog. So if your AI model supports multiple languages, for example, this is the choices in Claude, and these are the choices in GPT 3.5. You can choose to create a blog or update your blog in any language you want. And here is the kicker. If you're following another blog, Blogi will automatically translate those posts, rewrite them into your target language, and then post it. This time I'm going to go for English. You can also specify the exact style you want to choose. Let's say you want to keep the blog language casual and friendly. You can put that in. If you want to make it more academic, or if you want to make it funny, humorous, whatever tone you want to take, you can put that in. If you want to modulate the style of another writer, let's say you want to keep it like the Gettysburg Address, you could put that in. So any information you want in style, put that in. And if you want, you can even give Blogi a sample of the writing you want to model the articles on. So you could pick up an article that you like or that you've written already from your blog, put it here, and Blogi will try to match that style. You can even define the personality of the author. So let's say the author he's a 35-year-old scientist. It's a cooking channel, so let me make it chef. So you can specify the personality that you want to put in. You can go as detailed as you want. Right now, I have only one sentence, but you can put in as much detail as you want. And Blogi will write the articles from the perspective of this personality. Now, Blogi can automatically create the images for the articles it writes. We have an option right over here, create the images. Click yes, and Blogi will use the best AI right now available for image creation to create custom images for all the articles it posts. It's going to automatically find the right prompt for the article. It's going to give the prompt to AI, create a very unique custom image, infographics, whatever it can do best, and post it alongside the article. You can also select the target word count, how many words you want. And once you're ready, click on next. Then you can also put in the promotional details in the article by yourself. So the first thing, you can put in a custom footer. You can put in your call to actions, your links, whatever you want over here. So I've put in a very simple call to action: sign up to my list and receive latest recipes in your email. And I've given a link to a form. You can also promote links inside your articles. Just add your links over here, link text and the link to promote, click the plus button, and Blogi will try to put those links inside the article somehow, right? The AI handles that. And this is the queue size. This just maintains the number of articles that Blogi will have ready for your blog. You can keep a queue size of 2 or 4, whatever number you want. It does not matter because Blogi will write new articles in time to meet your schedule. I can keep it 2 for now. Click next. And finally, you can choose to be notified when your articles are written and when they are posted. So anytime Blogi writes an article, it's going to notify you. You will receive an email. Click on finish and the campaign is set up. It's going to show up in the list. This is my campaign right over here, the best cooking blog. And the articles are going to be pumped out to your blog. They're going to be published on your blog on full autopilot. Right now, we have a full autopilot campaign. You won't have to do a thing. You just need to watch the traffic come in. You just need to check your blog. That's all. You can see the articles that were written over here. You can see that in our test blog, we have written quite a few articles. For example, empowering equality. Look at this graphic. It's a very, very apt graphic for this article. And this entire article is written by Blogi. And don't forget, it's not just the article. Blogi also takes care of the SEO. So it's showing you the meta description that it's going to post alongside. It's going to post the meta keywords. It's going to post tags. It will choose the categories. It will create a slug for the article. The original article is right over here. But after that, you have all the other information that is very helpful for you to get ranked and get traffic. You can also choose to rewrite any content that you put in. So this is now going a bit manual. If you want to do things a bit manually, you can do that. Just select the campaign where you want to post the article to, select the model you want to rewrite with, and just select whether you want to rewrite the content para by para, and just paste your content here. Let me just get something, paste it over here, click on rewrite now, and whatever you put in, Blogi is gonna rewrite it and create a new article right then. So here's the new article. It even wrote the meta description, meta keywords, tags, everything is ready for you. Blogi also has a manual writer in case you want to go 100% manual and write an article with AI assistance, you can do so. Again, select the campaign you want to post to, select the model you want to work with, select the language that you will want to work in, and put in a topic, let's say making Shahi Paneer. You can put in the topic in any language, that's fine. Put in the style. I'm going to actually go to English because I expect you wouldn't be able to understand if I put in any other language. And if you want to use something keyword, Shahi Paneer, delicious, put that into, click on next. Here is my new article, exactly using the keywords, all the details that I wanted to put in. All of them are here. It's a perfectly formatted article with all the details like meta description, meta keywords and tags and everything else. But the best thing is you can change anything you want. So if I want to change, for example, this paragraph, I'll just click on it and it's going to be shown in the AI tool section where I can rewrite it. There are 3 tools available. I can either rewrite it, I can expand it. So if I click on expand, it's going to make it longer, or I can put in an image over here, right? Wherever I want it, and it will create an image based on the details I provide over here. So if you want to rewrite this paragraph again, click on the rewrite button. In a matter of seconds, it's rewritten, and you can just copy it and paste it. That's how easy it is to create a custom article based on the inputs you want. And creating an image is just as easy. So I'll make some space where I want to place the image, put the cursor over there, and then write the image description. Whatever details you want, you can put in. Click on the image button. And that's it. Our image is ready. You can see how mouth-watering and tempting it is. Here is the published article on the blog. That's how easy it is to create articles inside of Blogi. In fact, it does it on autopilot, so you don't even need to do anything manually. It's just going to create the articles, create the images, post it on your blog on the topic you specify. And the best thing about following another blog or another website is you're going to get trending content. So if another website is publishing latest trending content, you can just put Blogi on it, and Blogi will automatically pull out the latest content, latest articles, rewrite it, and put that trending content on your blog too in different words using different images. So you will have great new content without having to do anything. That's the power of Blogi. That's how amazing Blogi is. It can take care of your entire content marketing.
Did you see that? There's nothing in the market that does what Blogi does. It's crafted by marketers for marketers, and it's got everything you need to create fantastic blogs for any niche. Our users have written more than 30,000 articles using Blogi, and hundreds of articles are carefully crafted every day. If you are serious about SEO and you're not ready to be outcompeted by smart marketers who use AI effectively, join them and put Blogi to work on your traffic. Create articles that rank and get you traffic. Get Blogi today. Right now, it's on a special sale and you can grab it for a very attractive price. A price you might not see again. Grab it now so that you get the best offer. Your investment in Blogi is 100% secure. Yes, you can try it without any risk for 30 days. Use Blogi, get traffic, and if you're not absolutely delighted by the results,
Tell us anytime in those 30 days for a full refund. The risk is ours and the advantage all yours. So what are you waiting for? Get your Blogi now.